Here we have two cicada killer wasps. Both are females. These wasps are huge. They are the largest wasp in North America. They're called the cicada killer wasp because that's what they do. They hunt in the treetops for cicadas, and once they find them, they capture them. And once they capture them, they give them a paralyzed sting. Actually, they sting them several times. But the cicadas aren't dead when they paralyze them. But they actually don't kill the cicada, they just paralyze it. Then they fly the cicada back to its underground burrow. Once they drag the cicada under the ground, they lay an egg on it and cover the hole up, and once the egg hatches, the larvae will have food. And next summer, when the cicadas come back out, there will be full-grown cicada killer wasp again. Let me go in the shade here so you can see them better, because I know there's a lot of glare from the sun. How's that? As you can see, they're beautiful wasps. They're huge. Very huge wasp. Yeah, just look at the size of them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day and God bless.